If you run a growing service business, insurance, real estate, rentals, consulting, accounting, law, you might not think of yourself as an AI company, but within the next few years, you won't have a choice. Enterprises are already rolling out AI agents to cut costs and scale service. If you don't, they will run circles around you. And today in this video, let me show you why and the kind of AI agents you can build today to become an AI-powered, AI agent native company. First, let's do a quick reality check. So big companies are already using AI agents for customer service, claims processing, contract review, and they are cutting millions in cost and delivering faster. For growing businesses, that's a little bit dangerous. You can't outspend them, but you can out-adapt them. And this isn't just a theory. I've been talking with a lot of growing business owners over the past few months. They all tell me the same thing. They are under pressure to deliver faster and with fewer resources. And many of them feel stuck between expensive SaaS that doesn't fit and the high cost of hiring developers. That's where AI agents come in. So what AI agents looks like in a growing business? Let me break this down a little bit for everybody. Here are the kind of agents you can implement right now without any agents, with any engineers. The first will be customer-facing agents, like lead, qualifier bot, generate website visitors, ask about 2 to 3 questions, routes, not hot leads. In customer service, FAQ agent, think about answering common questions instantly and it's available 24/7. Or appointment scheduler, like books calls or consultations automatically. An onboarding assistant, collect forms and documents from new clients. Or quote or estimate generator, gives instant pricing for services like insurance, rentals, or consulting. So these agents brings in more lead, close faster, and make your business looks modern and responsive. And for internal operations agents, here are some like typical cases like KPI reporting generator, posting numbers from the QuickBooks or your CRMs and sending dashboards every single week, or meetings summarize, agents listen to Zoom calls, write down follow-ups and action items, or compliance checker scans documents and flags issues, or contract or proposal generator drafts agreements automatically from your templates. Expense invoice agents automatically generate invoices, categorize the expenses. So these are the agents saves your team hours every single week, and they can cut down on errors. So I want to quickly talk about why, in this sense, it doesn't work by using a lot of the cookie cutter software as a service or software to solve the problem, simply because you have very different or distinguishable process from another peer or from another industry. Think about the big SaaS players like Salesforce. What they do is they build this cookie cutter process once, like generate sales lead and follow up on sales questions, may not really fit into your industry. And what that will cause long term is feel disingenuous, or at the end of the day, you kind of just gave up on keep using that specific software. And you kind of also stuck with it because the amount of resources, the money on the data already within their ecosystem. And if they are not innovating on AI agents, then you will not be benefiting from AI agents revolution. And that's why I advocate strongly against adapting like software as a service from day one. That might be an easier start, but long-term wise, it's actually detrimental for your business compared to have your own AI agents. So that's a little sidetrack. Let's get back down to more use cases about your personal or specific customized bespoke AI agents on the marketing side. So for marketing and growth agents, let's talk about social media post writers, right? What they can do is turn your reports into a LinkedIn post automatically. Email campaign agents can build and targeted email campaigns, review testimonial collectors, which can follow up with clients and ask for reviews. You can think about this can be really useful for restaurants or if you're running any sort of like a local physical store type of a business, just writing reviews on Yelp. And another one could be competitor watch agents alert you when competitors launch a new business or new services. These are automatic, so you basically have them working for you and you just become the general who tell all these agents what to do and they collecting the data or execute for you. So these agents grow your visibility and credibility without adding any marketing headcount. Let's then talk about a little bit more about what specific niche agents can help you guys, like insurance claim pre-screener. I talk about insurance quite a few times. I have customers who are in the insurance industry. There's just so many repetitive and hectic jobs or works are taking a lot of time from their insurance representative, like claims pre-screener, or rental inquiry assistant for the real estate, commercial real estate agents, legal intake agents, recruiting screener, project workflow orchestrator. So these are tailored to your exact industry and make you stand out from competitors who are just using generic SaaS who are not built specifically for that industry. And SaaS doesn't have any agency. Basically means you need to stick with the SaaS to be able to do anything and execute anything. You still are the operator. You're still the driver. You don't have any agent works for you. So let's talk a little bit more about the future playbook. So I think it's very clear. Every growing business will have at least one customer-facing agent, one internal operations agent, and one niche-specific agent that sets them apart. Early adopters will run leaner, win clients, and scale faster. Late adopters will get squeezed out. Unfortunately, that's just the reality and how when an industrial revolution happens, things pans out eventually. So I think the choice is very, very simple. Every single growing business, you are eager to grow, you are eager to have more sales, process more documents, process more claims. So you will need to become an AI business. This is critical, guys. You have to adopt. The only question is whether you will start building these agents now or wait until competitors already have the advantage. And with vibe coding and platforms like what I'm building, like Beta, you don't really need the engineers. You just need the mindset to build, and the cost is not as high or as crazy as hiring an agency, which costs you like $50,000, $100,000 to build one agent. So learn how to do vibe coding and be able to hands-on and create your own AI agents to improve your game, level up your game, and cut cost. So as for action items, always subscribe for more, like this video, share with your peers who want to learn more about AI agents, or you can join the waitlist at Beta AI. Once we go launch and publish the website, the services, you guys can have the first-hand information about Beta AI and how to make AI agents yourself. Hope you like the video, and I hope every one of you have a great day.